Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sushant is studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Vidyanagar, Bengaluru, Department of Information Science and Engineering, Section Eacher, Subject Introduction to Civil Engineering, Subject Code BESCK204A. Solid Waste Management, Category of Waste and Sources of Solid Waste. So first we discuss Introduction to Solid Waste Management. Solid waste management refers to the collection, transportation, treatment and disposal of solid waste materials. It is essential for maintaining public health, environmental sustainability and resource conservation. Proper solid waste management helps in reducing pollution, natural resources and promoting a cleaner environment. Next, categories of solid waste. Municipal solid waste includes household waste, commercial waste and industrial waste. Industrial solid waste comprises waste from manufacturing processes, construction activities and mining operations. Hazardous waste consists of materials that are toxic, flammable or corrosive and require special handling and disposal method. Next, sources of solid waste. Residential sources of solid waste include households, apartments and other residential properties. Commercial sources of solid waste come from business, offices, shops, restaurants and other commercial establishments. Industrial sources of solid waste organized from factories, plants, construction sites and other industrial facilities. Sources of solid waste. Institutional sources of solid waste include schools, hospitals, government buildings and other institutional facilities. Construction and demolition activities generated a significant amount of solid waste in the form of debris, rubble and discarded materials. Agricultural activities produce solid waste such as crop residues, materials and animal manure. Next, challenges in solid waste management. Improper disposal of solid waste can lead to pollution of air, water and soil, posing risk to human health and the environment. Inadequate waste collection and disposal infrastructure in many regions result in littering, illegal dumping and unsanitary conditions. Limited public awareness about the importance of public reduction, recycling and proper waste disposal practices contributes to their challenges in solid waste management. Next, solid waste management strategies. Waste minimization aims to reduce the generation of waste by promoting sustainable consumption practices and product design. Recycling and composting involve the recovery and reuse of materials to minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills. Waste to energy technologies convert solid waste into energy through incineration, gasification or anaerobic digestion, reducing the waste and generating renewable energy. Next, solid waste management practices. Collection system involves the gathering of waste from various sources and transporting it to treatment or disposal facilities. Treatment methods such as landfilling, composting, recycling and waste to energy are used to process and manage solid waste. Disposal options includes landfilling, incineration and other methods safely and environmentally soundly disposing of waste and can recycle or reused. Sustainable solid waste management. Sustainable solid waste management practices focus on reducing, reusing and recycling waste to minimize environmental impact and conserve resources. Integrated waste management approaches combine multiple strategies to achieve efficient and environmental friendly solid waste management. Public participations and stakeholder engagement are essential functions success of sustainable solid waste management initiatives. Next, benefits of efficient solid waste management. Effective solid waste management. Proper solid waste management helps protect public health by reducing exposure to hazardous materials and preventing disease transmission. Environmental benefits of solid waste management include conserving natural resources, reducing pollution, and mitigating climate change impacts. Economic advantages of effective waste management include job resources recovery and cost savings through waste reduction. Next, conclusion. Solid waste management is crucial for maintaining a clean and healthy environment for current and future generations. By implementing sustainable waste management practices and prompting waste reduction and recycling, we can minimize the environmental impact of solid waste. Collaboration among governments, industries, communities, and individuals is essential for achieving effective and sustainable solid waste management.